με την ιδιότητά σας και σαν πρώην υφυπουργός οικονομικών στη Γερμανία, αλλά και σαν καθηγητής, θεωρείτε ότι το πρόγραμμα της δημοσιονομικής προσαρμογής απέδωσε στην Ελλάδα και είναι η χώρα έτοιμη να βγει στην ανάπτυξη?
Well, it's difficult to say at this moment of time. Industrial production is still extremely weak in Greece. Tourism has revived, so there's a bit of a recovery, but it's not yet a recovery of overall income. What you need is overall income, and this is not yet there. So it is too early to say that you are out of the problems, that you are in a self-sustaining recovery. I would be very cautious, and let's see what happens in the next months, but there is a lot of uncertainty about it. So.
Πιστεύετε ότι το μοντέλο που χρησιμοποιήσει η Τρόικα στην Ελλάδα μπορεί να εφαρμοστεί και σε άλλες χώρες, θα πρέπει να αναθεωρηθεί?
No, definitely not. I think the programs in Greece, Portugal and Spain were a big failure. They brought about a depression and they brought about very high unemployment. And we cannot copy that for Italy and France. If we would copy it for Italy, France, that would be the end of the EU and the Euro, definitely. So you have to adjust the programs. It should be less restrictive, the policy, and you should not combine it with wage cutting as it was in the case in Greece.